India Pakistan conflict. Early history. According to the mid 12th century texts, Raja Tarangini, the Kashmiri Valley was formerly a lake. Hindu mythology relates that the lake was drained by the Saga Kashapa by cutting a gap in the hills at the Barmula and invited Brahmins to settle there. This remains the local tradition, and Kashapa is connected with the draining of the lake in the traditional histories. The chief town of the collection of dwelling in the valley is called the Kashapa Pure, which has been identified as an ancient Greek Kashyapa in Hecataeus, Apud Stephanos of the Byzantium, and the Kashaptarius Herodotus 3.102. Kashmiri is also believed to be the country indicated by the Ptolemy Kashyparia. The Pashtun Durrani Empire ruled Kashmir in the 18th century until its 1819 conquest by the Sikh ruler Ranjit Singh, the Raja of the Jammu Kashmir Singh, who was a vassal of the Sikh Empire and influential noble in the Sikh court, sent expedition to the various border kingdoms and ended up encircling Kashmir. By 1840s, following the First Anglo-Sikh War, Kashmir was ceded under the Treaty of Lahore to the East India Company, which transferred it to the Gulab Singh through the Treaty of Amritsar in return for the payment of the indemnity owed by the Sikh Empire. Gulab Singh took the title of the Maharaja of Jammu and Kashmir. From then until the 1947 partition of India, Kashmir was ruled by the Maharajas of the princely state of Kashmir and Jammu. According to the 1941 census, the state's population was 77% Muslim, 20% Hindus, 3% other Sikhs and Buddhists. Despite its Muslim majority, the princely rule was a overwhelming Hindu state. The Muslim majority suffered under Hindus' rule with the high taxes and discriminations. Partition and invasion. British rule in the Indian subcontinent ended in 1947 with the creation of new states, the domination of the Pakistan and the Union of India as the successor state to the British India. The British paramountcy over the 562 Indian princely state ended. According to the Indian Independence Act 1947, the sovereignty of His Majesty over the Indian state lapses, and with it all treaties and agreements in the force at the date of the passing of this act between His Majesty and rulers of Indian states. States were thereafter left to choose whether to join India or Pakistan or to remain independent. Jammu and Kashmir, the largest of the princely states and had a predominantly Muslim population ruled by the Hindus, Maharaja Hari Singh. He decided to stay independent because he accepted that the state Muslim would be unhappy with accession to India, and the Hindus and Sikhs would becoming vulnerable if he joined Pakistan. Only on 11 August, the Maharaja dismisses his Prime Minister Ramchandra Kak, who had advocated independence. Observer and scholar interpreted this action as a tilt toward accession to Indian Pakistanis decided to permit this possibility by arresting Kashmir by force if necessary.